Here I am again, filming, and I'm not having fun.
But I'm having fun, Mom, and that's what matters. I've asked you here today for a reason. It's very important, Mom. I'm a very important businesswoman. This is my job, Mom.
I know that. I'm proud of you.
I have to work. It's not all fun in the sun, okay?
But this is your vacation.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm a workaholic. I have to go to work today, Mom, and sorry, but you have to help me for no money. You know what? You gave birth to me, and if you didn't want this to happen, then you should have thought of this ahead of time.
Sorry. Don't go too deep, Em.
I won't. Ah! I'm okay. Do I look majestic?
You look like a coureur de bois.
I didn't go to history class. What does that mean?
It means you look very comfortable in the kayak.
Oh, ignore all the times that I scream like a frog. I feel very smooth.
Don't smash into the dock.
I can't promise anything. Guess what we're doing today?
I have no idea. Going fishing?
Absolutely not. We're dyeing our hair blue in someone else's kayak. Bup, 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 bup.
What?
Beep, bup. Whoa. I'm okay. That's just what you gotta do. You gotta get into someone else's kayak that you don't own, go onto somebody else's dock, and hope that the people aren't home. And then you just gotta say, look how pale my hair is, Mom. It's not okay. Does it look like the color of Shrek's, I'm sorry to say it, but Bum Bum? To sum up, no, it doesn't. I know that's what you're thinking in your head. We gotta take care of it. So, here we go.
Do you remember your Girl Guide knots?
I definitely remember the cookies. The knots, sure. Solid as a rock. And the rope broke. I didn't think this through. Now I'm drifting away. My hands are blue. Okay, it's okay. No, it's fine. It's toilet paper. I don't stuff my bra.
You put balloons in.
Hey, Mom, stop outing me that I stuff my bra. It was like 4 times in 7th grade. Do I look powerful?
You do.
Do I look like Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson? Ah! Oh! Ah! Does it look right? Ah!
I think you need a little bit more.
Oh. Ah! Woo! Hippity hoppity. Mom, I've started talking like Ned Flanders.
Who's Ned Flanders?
Yeah, exactly. Love you, Mom. Mom, I floated away.
I see that.
How did it happen?
Well, maybe because of your Girl Guide knot.
Oh no, don't! It's not the knot's fault. That was solid as a rock. Ah! Flippity floppity! Ah! Hi, Mom. I did it. I dyed my hair.
You did. I see that in a kayak. How iconic. Your hair looks good, Anne.
Thanks, Mom. Honestly, I know, but thank you. I'm a kayaking queen, some would say, right?
I'm like a kayaking genius.
I didn't say